I just wanted to give a 1-year update on this Blackstone 36-inch griddle cover. It's been just about a year, and this thing has been through a fairly harsh New England winter, and it's still holding up. A lot of times when you get a grill cover, it will fade, it will start to rip, and the water resistant part of it just completely goes away. But as you can see with this, it is still very much water resistant. Keeps it completely dry, and it hasn't faded. We go from being in the negatives to it's going to be almost 100 degrees today. So this has been put to the test. And if you didn't know, some other features to it is it has sides where you can cinch it together, a little strap, and there's actually enough room here to put 2 propane tanks in here. I have an extra one, and it is specifically designed for the 36-inch griddle. Again, another strap on this side. Easy to put on, easy to take off. And as you can see, completely dry. And yeah, I love it. So just wanted to give a little 1-year update. Let you know it's still working great. Hope this helps.